Hey everyone, I'm Anthony Crudelli with NinjaTrader, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your NinjaTrader brokerage account to TradingView. So here we are logged into TradingView, and at the bottom of the page, you will see Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel, and it will open up, and you will see all of the different brokers that you can connect to TradingView. Here is NinjaTrader. As you can see, I have it starred and highlighted in my favorites. So I'll click on this. From here, you can connect to live or demo. We're going to connect to demo today. Just go down here and then type in the password for your NinjaTrader account. So whatever you're using for your password for your NinjaTrader brokerage account or software account, that's what you're going to use right here. You're going to click connect. Now, once you do, you're going to see now your balance is going to be right here. So we connected to the demo account, the NinjaTrader demo account, and you can see it shows the account balance, the equity, and all of your orders from that day, orders, account summary, all of that is going to be now connected directly right here in TradingView. Now, what's cool about what we've done at NinjaTrader on TradingView is obviously now you're connected and you can trade right through your NinjaTrader account here on TradingView. But what's really cool is that if you are on your app, your web app, or if you're on the desktop, you're then able to connect to TradingView and manage those positions, and vice versa. So if you initiate a position here in TradingView and then go to your app or your web app or the desktop, you're able to go there and then manage those positions. Or if you create a trade in your in your phone, and the next thing you know, you were on TradingView and you're like, oh, I want to go and manage that position, you can do that. And so it streamlines across all of the different platforms, web, app, and desktop, all connect to your orders right here on TradingView. So easy, simple way to do it. And that's it for today's video. See you later, everybody.